Hi guys, I'm gonna open up a Play-Doh egg. We got Handy Manny. His hands move.
Show him to the camera.
Here's a closer look up.
Okay.
We got a basketball. Let's see if it bounces. But it doesn't. Here's a closer look at the basketball. We got a ninja, orange ninja. You can see his nunchuck in his hand. Here's a closer look up. There's some other characters you can get. Next up is a red car. What is it? Oh, here it is. And look what happens if you push this. It goes on the track. That one. And we're going to turn it off and listen how it turns off. Funny, isn't it? Here's a closer look up. We got Steve from Minecraft. He moves his head around and he can, his head pops out and his legs pop out. And his arms pop out, but it's pretty hard to get them back on, so I'm not going to pop them out. Looks like we got 2 aliens. Here's a closer look up. Looks like we got a Squishums. A Ninja Turtle one. I think it's Raphael, but I don't know what a Ninja Turtle character's name. We've got Spider-Man. You can move his arms like this. You can move his head like this. And he can move his legs too. I think they're supposed to, but I'm not sure. Nope, thought they did. We got a minion holding 2 cupcakes. Here's a closer look up. Looks like we got Gru. Here's a closer look up. You can see his tiny feet. And yeah. I don't know who this girl is, so here's a closer look up. If you guys know who this is, and it's bigger than me too, leave a comment down below. What? And here's a scared minion. I think he's supposed to squish. Really hard to squish him. Oops. Here's a closer look up. some little squishy out to detail. Here's a closer look up. And here's a little squishy dolphin, like this. You can put him on your hand, or your pencil. You can do whatever you want with this, and there's more if you want to see them. And here's a closer look up. You can see this little hole down here. And here's the last one, a little squishy stormtrooper. It's really hard to squish these ones. Bye guys!